Good day, colleagues. Just want to demonstrate how to use my Excel-based 15-day school statistic program. Very simple. You fill in the sheets containing school information, learners detail, class groups, days and periods, existing vacancies, non-teaching staff, and then teachers particular. The program will then collect all information together and generate a report here. You see this information, they are already filled in because they are already provided in the first sheet, which contains school information. I'll go on to demonstrate quickly, and then you see how it will populate some of this information that are missing. It will fill in all that automatically. It will do all those calculations, how many learners are in grade 1, who are 5 years, 6 years, and so on. Okay. First one, let's start at question 8. Okay. Is the double session system used? No. Satellite school? No. But see what happens if I say yes. If I say yes, it will ask you to provide the satellite school and the code. If I say yes, then it will ask you to provide this satellite school and the code. But if I say no, that won't be necessary, so it will disappear. The same with if this school is satellite school, for another, if I say yes, it will ask you to provide it. But if I say no, it won't be necessary, then it will fill automatically the other side that it's not applicable. Okay? It's a private school or state school. In our case, it's a state school. This one will only fill it in if it's a private school. Okay? Right, let's see what happened. Let's come to this side. See what else it is provided there. You see? It ticked here to say no, 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 not applicable, not applicable. See? Like that. Okay? Even here it said not applicable because you left those ones blank. You see? Very easy. Okay? Let's go to provide learners information. This is where you're going to enter learners information. You just go to your class list and copy and paste. The system will then use this information to do the calculation regarding the learners. Okay, I'm only going to use a few classes. Let me use my pre-primary. I'll copy them. Then I'll paste in the demo. I'll only paste the values. Okay. Then I'll indicate the grade is pre-primary. I'll just drag to fill that this is all pre-primary. Okay, I suggest to do it class by class. New entrant, or repeaters, but this is a new entrant. Drag again. Pass or fail the previous year. I say this one passed previous year. I'll drag again. See the morning or afternoon session. Our learners are all doing morning session. Okay, right. And I'll go on to go and pull on another grade. This time I'm going to take grade 1. Grade 1. And I'll paste grade 1 here. Values. Okay, these are the grade 1. I'll do the same. This is grade 1. So I'll just pull like this. Grade 1. Okay, are they new entrant or repeaters, I may make them of all of them new entrant first. But if there are those who failed, I'll go on to say they are there for the second time. I think I went far. Okay, I'll make all of them. I'll make all of them new entrant. Okay, but if there are repeaters, I'll go on to say, okay, maybe this learner is repeating. I'll say this one is a repeater, and maybe this one is a repeater, and maybe this one is a repeater. Oh, this one is a repeater. Okay. Pass or failed previous year. I'll just drag again here to say they passed first all of them. But I know those who are repeating, it means they failed. So I'll make them that they failed. This one, the repeater, this one also failed. This one also failed. This one also failed. Okay. Morning or afternoon, they are all morning session. They're all morning session. I just went far. Now this computer is a bit faster and yeah, I have to end here. Okay. Alright. Now let's see what happens. I go on to class groups. Pre-primary, I've got 1. Grade 2, I've got 1. Okay, those are class groups. For morning session, afternoon we don't have 0. But you do, of course, for your class groups, it's appropriate. So, circles, pre-primary is 5-day circle. So let me say, great, this is also 5-day circle, 5-day circle. Okay. Okay, let me just do for all of them, for example. Then number of period, 30, this one will be 34. 34. Period length is 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes. I'm only doing for demonstration. You fill all the rest. Existing vacancies. Do you have a vacancy at school? Say yes. What do you have? So you have got drop down list here. Maybe you got a vacancy for grade 3. You see the code is coming automatic. Okay. And then from what grade? You can say grade 1. Grade 1. Maybe from grade 1 to grade 3. Or it's up to saving 3 to 3. Period per week. We may say maybe it's 40. Okay, maybe 40. Just an example. Okay, you do what is right. Non-teaching stuff, you enter your maybe XX code. You pick permanently or whatever. You pick the right one. Appointment. You pick, if you check in the form, ID number. You put it there. Put it there. Gender. Okay. Appointed by state. Then the teacher's particular. So the teacher's particular, let's fill only in maybe 1 or so. Teacher A. Teacher A. Post. Put the right code. It's up to you to put what is right. ID number. Put the ID number there. Surname and initial. Kanduka L. Appointed appointment, you'd say it's 4 or so. You check the right code, gender, male, paid by, state, professional qualification, qualified or so, yes. Academic, you choose the right one. Then subject, yeah, maybe it's teaching grade 3 as we said, or whatever grade. Yeah, let's say even maybe natural science or something. All the subjects they are here. Take natural science and health education. See the code is coming automatically. From what grade? Maybe grade 4 to grade 7. How many period per week? Maybe 23. So the total has been calculated here. Another subject that teacher is teaching is mathematics maybe. Let's take mathematics. The code comes automatically. From what grade? So maybe grade 4 to 5. How many period? They are 18, for example. See, they are totaling now that they are 41. So you do the same for the rest of the teachers. Now let's go to the report. You see, the report is already here. The one we are going to print is generated. See, information, they have been ticked there based on how you fill the other side. Yes or no. Where you said no, for example, where there's a need for satellite school or so, see how it's filled. Not applicable. Like that. Even there, see? Very easy. So that's basically how it works. You see here, it have entered the learners in grade 1. It have calculated how many learners at 7 years, boys and girls, the total. Those who are 8 years, boys, girls, the total. Yeah? Those who are repeating, they are also calculated, the total, and here the total. Okay? And then here you've got to the total number of learners. Now this includes the pre-primary, remember? 31 plus 28 and 59. Okay? Then you come here, pre-primary they are here, 14 boys, 11 girls total. Grade 1, 15, 15, 30. You see? Right. And those who passed, these are those who passed. Who failed? 2 boys, 2 girls. Yeah? That's how it works basically. It will fill all the information this side automatically. Just print. You see, all this information they are being populated automatically. Okay? All here. See, the period you enter at the other side, they are here. Okay? I think we entered something wrong. Maybe you entered the wrong value here. The period here, I think. Yeah, here. You're supposed to see the mistake we did. It's supposed to be 30. Okay? Then if you come back here, it's 30. Okay? Then you print your report. Okay? See the existing vacancy, it's here. The code, from what grade to grade, how many period is there. Okay? Teachers, because we only filled in one teacher, he said there's one female teacher and the total. See, all this, they are populating automatically. If they're not teaching staff, they are populating everything. That's how it works, basically. Okay? This is where we fill the detail for the staff, for the teaching staff. They are here, their code and so on. See, populating automatically. All right. So basically, that is how it works, colleagues. If you are interested, you can always call me. This is now the teachers particular. You see how they are populating, male or female. See, their subject they are teaching, their total. See, very easy. and you print your report. Okay? So, colleagues, that's how it works. Thank you.